Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Today in this video spellcaster James telling you how to fall in love a boy if they are not gay. Materials required for this spell: 1 photo of the person you want to fall in love, 1 red cloth, 1 scissor. Step 1. Take a cloth and cut it in the middle like a heart shape. Step 2. Place the photo of the person in middle of cloth. Step 3. Place cloth and photo in your almirah. Step 4. Now you can wait for 7 days. You can do this spell after 7 days. You'll see changes in person behavior. If you have any queries regarding to this spell, then contact spellcaster James. Number will show you in the below of the screen. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel, Spellcaster James.